ultime battute di poter sorprendere il
Yeah, I think delighted is the wrong word. I have no vocabulary for anything higher than that. I'm sorry, but I'm just happy. I'm just exhausted and yeah.
This is your 41st victory, which puts you in equal second all time with Ayrton Senna. Do those records mean a lot to you?
Yes, it does mean a lot to me. Sorry.
Well, we made some modifications during pit stop and it made a balance of the car better, but not enough obviously, and the gap was too much for Michael, so it was impossible to catch him, and also back markers was a couple of Minardis was not quite a pain, you know, they didn't let overtake so easily, so I lost maybe 2-3 seconds because of that, but end of the day that's not the excuse or anything, but and I believe that Michael did not have no reason to anymore to push maximum anymore that time.
We always knew that some are on the lighter strategy, but you know, as Monza is on the longer strategy, you usually have the upper hand, and we were quicker than Verstappen at the end of the day, and I knew that we could be quicker than Zonta, so I didn't worry too much.